Good morning guys, it's time for another vlog and actually it's finally a sunny day outside. It's been really cloudy yesterday and it was been raining during the past few days, which was definitely not the best weather at all. Not summer kind of weather at all as well, and today we have finally summer again. So yeah, I just prepared myself a protein drink, so gonna drink that, and later we plan to go for a little walk with Vanessa. We will probably go to the playground as well, and that's probably it for today. Obviously cooking dinner and things like that, and tomorrow is actually another outdoor cinema, which I'm really excited about. So we will most likely buy some snacks for it at the shop as well today, and also some pastry and some yogurts for Vanessa, because she's been eating yogurts so much lately. Basically she didn't really eat any yogurt for the past few months probably, and when she was at my parents' house she basically just wanted to eat yogurt and she started to eat it a lot. So it's like 4 or 5 yogurts per day, so we need to buy more definitely, because we have just like 4 or 5 another ones. So yeah, really excited about the weather, and the movie actually tomorrow is going to be a really good one, it seems. I actually saw just trailer, but it's new 2025 movie. It's a comedy, kind of romantic as well, and it's actually Czech. But yeah, I'm really excited about it. I do really love outdoor cinema because it has that super nice vibe and summer feeling, and basically we go to the little hill there and we are basically like quite alone there. Plus we have a stroller with Vanessa there. She is watching it again as well with us, but then she falls asleep. It was the last time as well, and a year before as well, the same. So yeah, really looking forward to it, and I'm definitely going to show you a few clips from that as well. And yeah, that's it from me now. We are just going to go for a little walk and good morning guys, it's another day and I'm just having my matcha latte. Haven't had one in a while, so I'm really looking forward to it. Obviously gonna do my makeup, something with my hair, change my outfit because I'm still in my PJs, and we'll see what the day will bring. The weather so far is really nice, it's sunny, so hopefully we will go outside. And in the evening there's actually an outdoor cinema, as I mentioned yesterday. So we are going there as well, so I'm really looking forward to it. And gonna definitely film a few little clips from that and from out there as well. Gonna obviously prepare a snacks for the movie and some nice snacks for Vanessa as well, even though she will definitely fall asleep later than she normally just watched and then she fell asleep. And last time she actually slept the whole night. We just basically took her from the stroller to the bed and she was sleeping, so yeah. So we have a Kinder here and obviously a chocolate and a little toy. Basically I thought it would be a toy, but it's a earrings. Even though Vanessa will definitely use it as toys. It's glittery cat. So garden done. As you saw in the previous clips, I basically did the grass because it was really long, as you saw in the clip. Right now it looks much better. Plus I also did the area around the fence, and obviously it was a little bit more tricky around the pool as well, but it's done and it looks much better at the moment. And also I'm about to prepare a lunch slash dinner. We will most likely take it with us for the outdoor cinema as well. So I'm basically going to prepare a zucchini cake, which is baked, and basically you're gonna need a zucchini. I'll probably add one potato as well, eggs, flour, some herbs, garlic, and that's probably pretty much all. I'm gonna show you how I make it, and I'm really excited about it because I do love zucchini so much, and it will be also nice to have something else for the snacks for the movie outdoor. And yeah, we will obviously probably take a popcorn with us as well. I will take my glasses as well, like I did the last time. It was a life changer. I can pretty much see clearly, but not like far away, and it basically helped me a lot because we were sitting at the hill, which was quite far away from the actual screen, and I was able to see the details perfectly, which was really nice. Because to be honest, if we are at home and we do have some movie with subtitles, which is in Spanish, for example, basically in any language I can't speak, I need my glasses on because otherwise I can't really read the subtitles, and it's basically much harder for me. So yeah, need to take the classes, and yeah, really looking forward to it. Now I'm gonna make the cake. Okay, so I do have some cheese and one zucchini grated here, and I'm gonna do the rest like this because I'm too lazy to grate everything, plus the potatoes as well. And yeah, gonna mix it all together. Gonna add some flour, some eggs, some herbs, garlic, salt, pepper, and yeah, Really looking forward to it. Hey! So these are the snacks I prepared for today's movie night. So these we already opened actually. It's orange biscuits, super yummy. You want it? Okay, there's Vanessa's little snack, a popcorn which we will make at home and take it with us. Then jalapeno chips from Italy actually, and this is for Vanessa. It's mini muesli with cherry. I do have some more for Vanessa as well, and we will bring our dinner there as well. So maybe something more I will add, we'll see. And we do also have some extra clothes for Vanessa, some warm clothes for us, and blankets, a picnic blanket to sit on, some drink, and that's pretty much all. Good morning guys, it's another day. So let's talk about the outdoor cinema we visited yesterday. Basically the movie was checked as I mentioned before, and to be honest it was quite cold. Vanessa basically fell asleep within a few minutes when the movie started, and we then picked her up and basically at home and moved her into the bed, and she was basically sleeping the whole night, but it was really cold in the evening, and so we left earlier. Plus, let's be honest, we didn't really enjoy the movie. It didn't really had that somehow storytelling. It was basically about nothing. So yeah. Hi, princess. So we left earlier and basically went to sleep. And today we actually do plan to go shopping a little bit, just for a grocery store. Basically need some more yogurts for Vanessa because she loves yogurts for the past few days, and also needs some cheese because we basically almost ran out of it and we use cheese a lot. And also I want to look for a PJs, which is a Brazilian one, so it would be really nice material. So I'm going to look at it, how it looks in the real life, because they do have it since the day, so we will see. Not always they have all these sizes, so we'll see. Basically I need size small, and also bananas, because they have them in the sale for such a good price, and I would definitely love to do banana bread after a long time, so we will see. Hopefully they will have it and we will basically buy it. So yeah, I'm gonna go for a bulk shopping and we will see how the weather will be like after we will arrive back home, but it should be really nice. Summer should be back finally, because as I mentioned in some of the previous clips, basically it was really cold for summer, and also it was raining like crazy. So finally we do have some summer sunny days and it's not cold, which is just amazing. So yeah, I'm gonna go and we'll probably go to the pool later as well. We will see. Okay, I'm in love with these shoes. Actually bought it in Sensei and it was the last one they had, and actually it was just my size, so yeah, perfect. I do love it so much. If you are wondering what I do have on my knee, it's actually a cartoon which should basically help me with this little thing right there. That basically cut me a few years ago and it's still there. This actually helps, but it's there again, so yeah. So I basically do love when people do a grocery store haul, even though I didn't really go crazy. We basically went just for a walk and I had 2 bags and basically carried it underneath the stroller, so I needed to be really careful with what I get. But I do have first bag full of banana. Do have more of those, obviously. But then I do have those yogurts, which are actually from Lidl. It's the brand called Pillows, and it's with vanilla. Vanessa loves it. Basically, she loves any creamy vanilla or cream yogurt. So this is perfect for her. I got plenty of these. Then I also have the same one, just one with chocolate, which is for me. Then a HMM for poke balls. Want to try it at home. Hope that it will be as good as it was in the restaurant. Basically had it just once, so I'm really excited about to try it at home as well. Then a kefir milk. This one is strawberry. And so those item cheese. Sorry. And also non-alcoholic beer, which is lychee. So really looking forward to it. Gonna probably put it into the fridge to have it later on, and yeah, I'm looking forward to it. So yeah, that's the final haul. Basically, as I was talking about the PJs which I was looking at, they had plenty, but I don't really know what's wrong with most of the PJs. They usually have like this length top, which I definitely don't like. They had plenty. They also had a light pink one, which I would definitely choose. But if it was just longer. So yeah, let me know down in the comments if you know about some brands which do have nice PJs from muslin material, and it's not like crop top, because I do hate it. Basically, I want just shorts and like a short sleeve shirt. So yeah, don't really wear long sleeve shorts. And so yeah, that's the haul, and gonna prepare the pool. So already wearing my bikini and basically pretty much ready for the pool. Pool is ready as well, even though the water isn't as clean as it was before, but who knows how many days we will get to basically be able to go to the swimming pool. So we are pretty much fine with it. Vanessa isn't a toddler who would drink it or so, so I'm pretty much okay with that. And yeah, she obviously needs a swimsuit as well, and we're gonna go to the pool. Hey guys, so I got a Shein package. It's actually crazy because I basically ordered it like 2 days ago, and the first package has arrived already. I actually do have around like 50 pieces, I believe. So this is the first one. It's actually really small, so there's just a few things. First of all, I fall in love with those shoes where we were in Tunisia, but they basically had it just in kid size. So I found it and really looking forward to wear these, because I just fell in love with it. And in Tunisia they basically had just a children's size. This is actually children's one as well, but they had my size. I do have quite small feet, so they basically had size for me as well. Then yeah, just two more things basically. So I ordered Vanessa these little clips for her hair. It's basically like this. It's flower. Sorry, it's flower, and they do have some quite nice mixture of colors. They had also a more colorful one, but this one seems really nice. And then yeah, this is actually for me. So I ordered long sleeve shirt, which I don't really wear, but I wanted to try it. for winter, and basically want to mix it with some nice outfits for the layering basically. So yeah, that's it. Gonna try it on. Hopefully it will fit me because it basically looks quite small, but we will see. Okay, so ignore the shorts which I'm wearing right now, but I don't know, this is probably a knot because it's basically too tight. Sorry, don't really need to turn the lights on. I definitely hate this part. Can't really get over it. So yeah, most likely gonna put it on Vinted right now. Okay, so we will go to the pool soon, and I just want to make myself an iced coffee. So I'm gonna prepare it with you. I'm gonna show you how I make it. You can basically have flavored or non-flavored. I do use an instant coffee from this cafe, the gold one, and you can also use some ice cream if you have one. Pretty much depends on everyone, so I'm going to make myself a cup of one. And yeah, Vanessa is currently having a little snack because obviously water will make her hungry, and she can't really eat in the pool even though the water isn't the nicest. Basically we had a tablet there, and we will probably change the water because it should be nice for at least next week. So we will be pretty much able to go to the pool. So because of that we will most likely change it. So as I mentioned earlier, we are about to go to the pool, and basically I just wanted to talk with you about the weekend. Today is actually Friday, and over the weekend we do have quite a few plans which I'm really excited about. The weather should be nice, a summery one, so we will have some nice summery outfits which I'm really looking forward to. And basically we do plan to go to the big playground which is nearby the shopping center. It's really huge. We went there on Vanessa's birthday last year actually, and it's basically nearby, but we normally go just shopping there, and if it's cold or so it's not really the best. Plus it was raining for the past few weeks a lot. So we do plan to go there. Also the Festival of the Planets is in the city as well, so we basically plan to go there to see the planets, the moon. There's probably an Earth, Sun. I believe there was a Mars as well. We will see basically. They do have changed it a little bit every single year, and so yeah, really excited about it. And also on Sunday there's a little farmers market which is African one, so there should be fresh fruit, some veggies, some coffee, tea, spices and things like that. So we will go there, And yeah, that's basically the plans for our weekend, plus probably changing the water in the pool. And yeah, so gonna just put on the bikini, put on the swimming suit for Vanessa, and we will go to the pool to enjoy the weather outside. It's such a lovely day, sunny, and it's really hot, which I do love. And if you have a pool, it's just perfect. So yeah, gonna enjoy it. Okay, so I'm just preparing a dinner for me and Vojta. I'm gonna prepare something else for Vanessa because she's not a fan of rice. But I'm going to try a poke bowl at home for the first time. To be honest, I had it just once with our friends when we visited them. We basically went to the restaurant where they prepare such yummy ones, even a vegetarian version for me. And so I'm just going to try it at home for the first time. So I'm already cooking the eggs, and then I'm definitely just going to wait and gonna prepare the rest before Vojta will arrive back home from work. So it will be pretty much fresh for us for dinner. But I'm going to show you a few little clips how I make it. I basically want the eggs, probably some corn, onion. Not really sure about the dressing which I'm going to use. We'll see basically. But yeah, I'm really excited about it. Hope it'll taste good. So I'm like in the middle of preparing our dinner, but I just want to show you how our pool looks like at the moment. Basically, we will clean it and change the water because it's just disgusting. It was actually cold and raining for like 2 weeks or so, and we weren't really able to go to the pool. Also, since we basically went home from both of our holiday, we were in the pool just a few times because other days it was too cold or it was raining, and you know, it's definitely not the best kind of weather for the swimming pool. So the weather prediction is actually it should be really nice and summery, at least for the next week. So we will change the weather and we will basically have fresh nice water in our pool. I'm gonna show you how it looks now. And actually Vanessa just fell asleep like 3-4 minutes ago. It's currently 7 p.m. So yeah, she will probably continue sleeping till the morning. So yeah, we will see. I do have my last drying machine out there as well, so need to wait until it's done and then basically fold the clothes and put it into our wardrobes. But yeah, as I mentioned, I'm like in the middle of preparing our dinner and preparing basically a poke bowl, which I mentioned earlier as well. and still don't really know what kind of sauce I'm going to use. Probably I'm going to just simply wait, and Vojta is actually on his way from work, so I'm just going to wait and we will decide it together, because I don't really know what will be the best and taste the most delicious. So I'm just going to prepare the ingredients. The rice is ready. I'm basically cutting everything, and I will just put it into the bowls, but we will basically just make the sauce together after we will decide what we're gonna do. So yeah. So we do have already some eggs, cucumber, some mozzarella cheese, tomatoes, and I'm also going to add some corn, onion, sesame seeds, also some edamame and carrot, and we'll basically see what else.
Nemču, kontrola jména. Děkuji. Přijdeme na cestu.
Teď to se mohlo točit.
Hello guys, good morning. It's actually time to end this vlog because I do feel it's long enough already. So thank you so much for watching and see you in my next one, which is going to be pretty much soon, I believe. So thank you and have a nice day, have a nice end of summer and just wonderful life. So thank you and see you.